Hey guys, this is Vimal here and welcome back to another video on my channel. So today's video is going to be quite interesting guys because I literally have a toothbrush to show you all. So this is what I was talking about. It's a brand new toothbrush from Realme. So Realme has just launched this new smart toothbrush guys called the M1 Sonic toothbrush, and let me tell you, this is a smart electric toothbrush and comes with some really decent features for the price. First thing is it's got like a high frequency sonic motor that vibrates 34,000 times per minute to clean your teeth. And not only that, it's like fully IPX7 rated, waterproof, and offers like different cleaning modes for different type of people. So this is what we'll be unboxing and check it out in this video guys. So I'm like super excited. Let's quickly get started with the video. So Realme's new M1 Sonic electric toothbrush comes in this sort of box packaging, and just as usual, a complete yellow box with the Realme branding at the top. The model of the toothbrush we'll be reviewing today is M1. It's a smart electric toothbrush. Now going to the backside, we've got some of its features mentioned. Let me show you. It has a high-frequency sonic motor that vibrates about 34,000 times per minute, features DuPont's 99.99% antibacterial bristles and 3.5mm metal-free thin brush head, offers a crazy 90-day battery life, and also supports quick wireless charging. Well, those were some of its highlights. Now let's get started with the unboxing. Let me grab my knife and tear this packaging. There we go. So the box slides out like this, and we've got a piece of paper at the top with the Realme branding. And here it is guys, our brand new electric toothbrush. Very nicely packed. So this toothbrush is available in two different colors. The one we have right now is the white color variant. Okay, so let me take it out and show you. Whoa, that's a solid quality toothbrush. Feels quite premium from my first look. Let's just keep it aside for now and show you what else we got in the box. There's an accessory box over here which includes a user manual. Make sure to read that. And come with two heads included for the brush. One is for the people who have sensitive teeth, while the other one is a regular type brush head for all the normal users. And there's one more box as well in the package, which includes a wireless charger. You just need to plug it into any USB source like a power bank or a laptop and simply place the brush on it for charging. Quite convenient, right? Well, these were all the items we got in the package. Now let's finally check out the product. Realme's new M1 Sonic toothbrush. It's a smart electric toothbrush that offers quite a lot of modes and functions and is very easy to use. You've got the Realme logo here, a mode change button, and I'm not sure if you can see, but the brush has 4 different modes written over here that glow depending on the mode you select. There's also a battery status indicator below that. Well, that's it. There's nothing at the back side, and going to the top, it's got a cap over here. When removed, exposes the motor shaft. And for your info, this brush is IPX7 rated waterproof. So even if you submerge this thing in water up to 1 meter depth, nothing's going to happen. And this is how the bottom side looks like. You've got the Realme branding and just some info regarding the product. So let me quickly install the brush head and show you how this thing looks like. I'll be using the regular version only, and if you ask about the build quality, the body is made of high quality plastic and they even include a protective cover at the top to keep the brush safe. So let me give you all a closer look. Realme has used DuPont's good quality antibacterial bristles and it's also metal free. The head fixes only in one direction, so check that while installing, and this is finally how our brush looks like. Just like most of the other electric toothbrushes, this is also quite big in size and the build quality of the product is very good. Alright guys, so that was our quick unboxing on this new electric toothbrush from Realme. Now let me share you my experience and tell you about all the different modes and features available on this toothbrush. See, first of all, let me tell you that using this toothbrush is like very simple guys. No complications involved, no need of installing any apps also, unlike the other toothbrushes that I've used previously. All you need to do is, there's only one button on this brush guys, which acts like a multi-function button used to power on the brush as well as cycle through the different modes available on it. Just press the button, it'll power on, use it, and you're good to go. Very convenient to use. Now if you ask about the different modes available on it, well, this toothbrush offers like 4 different cleaning modes guys. The first one is called as the soft mode. See, this is like a gentle mode where the brush vibrates with minimum vibrations guys. It's mainly made for all the beginners or for people who are having like sensitive teeth and gum guys. If you're a beginner who's using an electric toothbrush for the first time, I would advise you to use only in soft mode for a couple of days until your teeth get, adapted to this kind of brushing. So if you ask me, I also use mostly my electric toothbrushes in soft only, the first mode available on it, because see, it's like gentle on your teeth and gets your job done. You don't want to apply like too much pressure on your teeth, especially if you're a beginner. So that was about the soft mode. By pressing the button once again, you can go to the next mode, which is called as the clean mode, guys. See, this clean mode is mainly made for all the normal average kind of user who's already like used to previously using electric toothbrush, and who has a normal healthy gum. These sort of people can go for the clean mode. It vibrates a bit higher than the previous soft mode and offers like a good cleaning experience. So this one is much preferable for the normal type of user. And next, if you go on, you've got the white mode, guys. Now this white mode is like the max mode available on this toothbrush, where the brush vibrates with maximum intensity. And let me tell you, it's actually quite strong. So this one is mainly made for deep cleaning your teeth, guys. See, if you've got a lot of stuff in your mouth and you want to clean that all out, just put this brush in the white mode and let the brush do the cleaning job. But let me tell you, the white mode can actually be like too intense for a normal user, and I would not advise you to use this brush in like high intensity mode for a long time, guys, because see, there are chances that your enamel on the teeth can get damaged, so you don't want that to happen. And lastly, there's one more fourth mode on this toothbrush, guys, called as the polish mode. Now if you toggle the polish mode on this brush, the vibration pattern is kind of different on it compared to the first three modes. It vibrates in a different pattern, mainly made for polishing your teeth, guys. This mode is not advisable on a daily basis. You can use this mode like once in a week to give a nice polish to your teeth. So these are all the 4 different modes available on it, and let me tell you my experience using it. Well, I've been using it for the past 1 week, right? So let me tell you, it was actually doing a good job. See, the brush is not that heavy. You can easily hold it like this, comfortable to hold, very ergonomic design, and you can easily clean your teeth. Talking about the mode, I've been using this brush mostly in the soft mode only, because that is what I mostly prefer, the first beginning mode. I want to be a bit gentle on my teeth, not harsh, so I don't damage the enamel on my teeth. So that's why I prefer using a soft mode. And one more thing you have to keep in mind is you should never give these sort of powerful electric toothbrushes to kids, guys, because the kids' teeth can be like quite delicate and you don't want to damage that. So for kids, this is not advisable. Well, yeah, this is my experience about this toothbrush, guys, my experience using it. So let me tell you about the battery life as well. The battery life on this toothbrush is like really good, guys. It's got 800 milliampere built-in lithium battery and supports wireless charging, quick wireless charging. And let me tell you, the brand says that one charge of this device will offer you like 90 days of battery life. That is crazy good. I haven't used it for like 90 days, so I'm not sure about that. But let me tell you, for the past 1 week, I've been using it, right? So the battery didn't drop that much also, so you can easily expect like 60 or 70 days also if you brush for like 2 times per day. So that is the kind of battery life you can see over here. So per year now you can charge it for like 5 to 6 times only, and that will get your job done. Very nice battery life, and also supports like quick wireless charging. So you just need to place it on top of the wireless charger and leave it for like 4 to 5 hours, and that's it, guys. Your brush is good to go. Alright, we are almost coming to an end, guys. Now let me tell you the pricing of this toothbrush. So this toothbrush costs around like 1999 rupees, and I feel it's slightly a bit on the expensive side. Only if the price was a bit little less, it would have given great competition in the market. So that is the only thing I'd like to say. Well, that's it. That was my quick review on, Realme's brand new M1 Sonic electric toothbrush. It's really good toothbrush, guys. Gets your job done. Very convenient, super easy to use. It's IPX7 water resistant and offers like on the go mode changing as well, depending on your requirement. Well, that's it, guys. This is what I wanted to show you all in this video. If you all like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more new awesome videos. And I'll see you all in my next one.